I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Whirlpool dryer door. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a putty knife. Safety is paramount, so always unplug your dryer from the electrical outlet. Before you begin, decide which side you want your dryer door to open from. This will guide your entire process. Now, let's remove the existing door. Open the dryer door to a full 90-degree angle. You'll see two screws securing the top hinge to the dryer cabinet. Carefully remove these. Once those are out, gently lift the entire door assembly straight up and off the lower hinge pin. Set the door aside on a protected surface. Next, we prepare the dryer for the door reversal. Remove the hinge pins and screws from the side where the door was originally attached. You'll also need to move the door strike plate to the opposite side of the door opening. Now, install the hinge pins and screws into the new, desired hinge locations on the dryer cabinet. Finally, let's attach your newly reversed dryer door. Carefully align the door hinges with the hinge pins you just installed on the dryer cabinet. Once aligned, secure the door by tightening the two screws into the top hinge. Give the door a few gentle pushes and pulls to ensure it opens and closes smoothly and latches correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.